Play and learning. Hello my friend, I'm Naysa. Have you ever seen this bird? Yes, this is a toucan. Now Naysa will draw and color it.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down.
Let's draw together.
Falling down, my fair lady. Build it up.
Toucans are usually found in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America.
Sticks and stones, my fair lady.
In their habitat there are about 40 species of toucans.
Sticks and stones will all fall down.
They are known for having a distinctive voice, and they also have quite high intelligence.
Lady, build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay, my fair lady. Wood and clay will wash away, wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady. Build it up with iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel. Build it up with iron and steel, my fair lady. Iron and steel will bend and bow, bend and bow, bend and bow. Iron and steel will bend and bow, my fair lady. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird,
Let's start coloring.
Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. And if that diamond ring turns brass, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that looking glass is broke, Mama's gonna buy you a billy goat.
Naysa has finished drawing and coloring. See you again in the next video.